What's up guys, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the request error in Hamster Kombat. So make sure to watch all the video and not miss any step. So, this issue can be resolved in 3 things. The first one is you want to check your internet connection. If all is fine, you want to go to the Play Store, then check if there's any updates. If your app is still updated to date, you want to go to your settings, then search for apps, and there you want to search for Telegram. When you enter, I want you to scroll down, then tap on Storage. After that, you see 2 options on the bottom of the screen. I want you to clear the cache and clear the storage, and this should work. And that's it guys.